Hello, everyone, and finally, welcome back to some more Godot. Yeah, it's been a bit, and as you can see, we're working on grenades. Yeah. Um. So, I mean, we have a few things here, and we need to clean up probably some code and make them workable because let's just show how it's going. I think. Oh yeah. They don't respawn. They're weirdly glitchy still, but they bounce. So, all in all, it works. It works almost. Just, I don't know. Okay, so we have rigid body to the direction. Okay, yeah. Um. mhm. Okay. Ba, ba, ba. I do this again. So in character, I think we have the throw grenade. Okay, yeah. Barrel position. I think I need to probably put the grenade a bit further forward. Or I need to put grenades on, yeah, probably its own layer. That actually sounds like the most sensible thing. Because, yeah, if they're not on like their own layer, I feel that will just make problems. Let's actually put them on 4. And already just let's check if this fixes some stuff. Yeah. Problem though. Okay. I need to change some stuff. Tile map. Collision layer, please. Add one on 4, so this should just. Yeah. Now we have one less problem. Okay, so let's actually look how many if I put the hurt box on a higher layer? Okay, I will just check what it does. Oh, wait, that's the canvas item. No, I don't want that. I want the hurt box to be... yeah. Let's see what happens if I put this one up. Nothing. Okay, so we can definitely put this one off again. Maybe I'll just make like an extra grenade collision box or something. That could also work. I don't know. Okay, that's part 1 done. Then we can definitely also just use layer 4 to just be like, oh yeah, if it touches you in layer 4, then bam. Okay, script then. Problem. They do not respawn and they do not play anything. That's a problem. So. Okay. Apply central. That is what it. That's how it gets forward. You know what? Let's just let's make a few. Okay. First of all, let's make it like this. I just want to check something. Words. Okay. If timeout, then boom equals true. If boom equals true, then Q3 equals true, then Q3. Okay. Idle. Let's go back to that. Maybe I need to do it like this. No. No, no, no. Okay, wait. What happened here? That would have killed any code. Oh, okay, wait. Hmm. I mean, we need to activate timer. Timer dot start. Maybe? We're getting in business, everyone. Ah. Hmm. Now I can probably do it like this again. Okay. So explosion radius dot disabled is false. I mean, technically, I can just quite literally just turn this around and make it like true. Enabled is true. Then I just have like one line more. Who cares? What? Okay, okay, so invalid assignment. Hmm. Ah, okay, wait. I think I know what it is. I think I know what the reference is. So it can't do that, but if I copy paste explosion radius and just say this is like explosion radius area, then it just disables this. So and still doesn't work. Okay. This? Oh, okay, so that worked. Good. Definitely reads wonderful. Anyway, okay, we need some sounds. Let's get some grenade sound effects. We? Let's hear into this. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Actually, yeah, let's just do some. Let's do some downloading and editing. Also, I think we need. Hmm. Hmm. Technically, an explosion sprite. Mm-hmm. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Okay. You know what? Explosion sprite. Okay, we have a few things to do now, just to make some cleanup that we have a bunch of stuff in, and then, yeah, I think I know how to get stuff exploded. I think. We'll see. So, first of all, we need, how's it called again? Yeah, please open this. Oh, first of all, I think both of you come into my project folder. And there we go. Open with, it's called Tenacity, yeah. Okay, let's just, I still don't know how I can change that. I think I wanted this one. Okay, okay, so we have to go to G. There we go. Okay. Have grenade explosion. Okay, so then we just need to add a child node, which should be we do want audio stream player 2D though. And just name it explosion. No. explosion sound, and obviously we want our explosion effect in here. And then we just have to basically tell it that explosion explosion sound dot play. That should be it, I think. Let's see how it works. Oh wait, what was it called again? I did it on the main character. Let's just okay. Godot, how to okay, let's listen into another video. Maybe that helps. What? I'm watching the video of a sociopath. Who the fuck puts their Godot into, like, a white framing? What is wrong with some people? Why are you doing this? Uh, uh, I don't know if that helps me. Damn. You know what? Just can I actually just play it for once? Um. No. Actually, let's very simply let it just see if it plays. Actually. Okay. You know what? It works. Maybe I should just put it here. Hmm. Hmm. This is getting tough. Yet. You know what? I'm doing some different things though first. Um First of all, explosion radius area, I think. So here's an idea for me. We should just put those onto 5. Why? Because if we now go to our enemy, let's just say enemy 1, they all use melee stuff anyway. So oh yeah, I should just make just this very simple constant, because that's what grenades are gonna do. Constant grenade damage is, let's just say 10. I don't know how big I will make it, but this will be 10. So but if area dot get parent is grenade, then health is minus equal character stats dot grenade damage. Okay, so did not find type grenade. Yeah, let me guess. I should have known. So this bullet. Okay, what was it again? Just yeah, class name grenade. Actually, that should definitely do a lot. Let's actually look if this works. And I know why. Because the paint box does not have layers on 4 and 5. Right now, I don't need that on the paint box. I need it on the hitbox. Correct. On 4 and 5. Meaning doesn't work. Damn it. Damn it, I was too confident in that. Grenade. Now. No, I just had to redo that line of code. Come on. Okay. If health equals oh wait, what is smaller than? It was 0 Q 3. Maybe that works. Wait, I probably need to it's the hitbox. Okay, no, then it should be on the right layer. Hey, is the game window not catched by streaming software? We can see it. No, it's currently closed. So, should be opening right now.
Never did the whole stream.
I just looked if it worked before. It's doing now. No. Also, hey, K-Tensor. Is it now? There it is. Okay. Okay, so basically... Oh, you're already here. Yeah. Doesn't want to. Well, okay. And he had thought this would be easy. Which is weird. It's like... I should have done it. You know what? I'm just a gigantic fucking idiot. It's like, yes, obviously, on hitbox area entered, if I don't enable that on the correct enemy, it doesn't work, you know? Oh boy, Nia is smart again. Okay. Now. You should be ignored, yeah. But you... I made... It worked... Wait. Does it also work after... It should work after bounce. I just enabled it on the wrong... Yeah. That's good. Wait. It does work. Okay. So, we're on the same page here. Good. Meaning, okay, you will definitely be changed into an animated sprite 2D. Now we just need to clean this up a bit. Because we have here a wonderful little let's go over here. I hope you're doing well, by the way. I'm back at doing shit. Okay, so let's see. What is the biggest one? It seems to be this one. Okay, so it is 67 by 50, 67 by 56. Okay. Sixty-seven by 57. Okay, that seems to be mm-hmm. Huh. Or maybe I don't. You know what? Maybe I don't even need to do this. You know what? Let's just eat this into. Oh wait, we have explosions. Actually, now that I think about it, why did I even bother with that? Already had a wonderful explosion. I think Agonia made this one, so I should definitely use that. Why shouldn't I use the wonderful explosions my girlfriend made me?
I tried making one.
I know, but I will use them. Okay, explosion. So we want to have this.
The few frames are like from an actual explosion. High-speed camera looks like, so you should make that really fast.
Yeah, I don't know how fast I can make it. Eins, zwei. Okay, in 2D, how does it look like again? Let's just make this one faster. Oh, wait, a different, 2 times.
Can you make specific sprites faster?
I don't know.
You should figure that out.
Um, there we go. Mm-hmm. First of all, let's just see. Okay. Almost. Ba, 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 ba. So. Mm, hide. Pretty simple. Explosion dot show. Okay. You know what? Function grenade explosion. And then we just put those two in here. And remove this. And oh yeah, right. I need to do this. And we can just say grenade explosion. And I think we can just say await. And then no, doesn't work. You know what? What does await actually do? Yeah. Hello, I want to click on. Was Alt or was it Control? It was Control, but I can't. Oh yeah, wait. I just need to Google then. Good. Um. I am just very confused. So, like, okay, the explosion and all plays. The problem is just the whole node gets deleted too fucking fast. I could just make a timer, but I've had so many times that I just really want to say, do wait until this is the case. And I have created to disable. Honestly, I did not. I found out what it. Okay, wait. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, await is for signal. You know what? Maybe I will just do it like this. And then say await get tree dot create timer let's just say 2.0 dot timeout, and then let's just see if this actually works. That's like the main thing I want to check. So it doesn't pop up now. Good. Godot, you're really helping me. Ah, there we go. Okay. Work now? Hello. Come on, Godot. That's so fucking weird. Oh yeah, right. Actually, let's just Okay, so and I definitely can't just say explosion dot finish. That would be animation finished, because that would be too easy, wouldn't it? It would be too fucking easy. that did something. They're almost working. I need to... Wait. Explosion dot stop. And explosion dot play. Don't tell me this is everything I needed. I just need to just clean this up a bit. Yay! Okay, so, let's just do this without that. Let's see if I can do... Okay, that is still too fast. Too fast. Dot animation finished. Then the work then. Nope. But if I say, oh wait, explosion animation finished. It just loops. Okay, I apparently can't just say play once. I would make it too easy, wouldn't it? Yeah, that's the thing. I'm just like, why is it looping? That is the question why I'm like, why is it looping? That is the thing that makes me a bit irritated. So because it shouldn't loop, you know? Once. Let me, then I just say explosion dot So I really don't need that. Those are worthless. That's not for me. Can I just say one? Is that the answer? Or will this like crash everything? Okay, hmm. Um, oh my god. I think I have it. Wait. Godot, please load. There we go. It was quite literally, just like in the animation player, I needed to toggle one thing. And now... I knew it. Okay. So just so you know, basically my whole thinking was, if I make an explosion radius, and I think I can actually make this one bigger than this, just like more like this. Everything that is touched by that radius, because it's on layer 5, when it activates, it was, but rotation sometimes not 0. Yeah, I know, you reset velocity, but you don't forget to also reset angular velocity and rotation. Honestly, the fact this is mostly working as intended. So like, the only thing I need to do now is that, actually, is basically because I still have a hitbox, and the hitbox is also, yeah, basically I need to make is it tree entered? No, okay. So technically, I only need to do now, the only thing I need to do is basically add an area 2D, and rename it, well, it is hitbox area, and then I put the hitbox in the hitbox area. Should still work. Yeah. So no, hitbox should be on a grenade still. Box over enemies. let's just make it really, really stupid. Then we add a collision shape 2D. Hurt box, pain box, enemies. There we go. Then we go back in here, and we do want our collision shape to also be like the same. So that's that. Then this hitbox also is on layer. Let's just put on layer 4. That's it. And then we simply say area entered then we just check really quickly if parent wait, how was this called again? If area.getParent is, yeah, if area.get parent equals, let's just say first melee enemy, then explode. That's its own function. Then let's just actually see if that all works. If I just put it in here. And say explode. Da, 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 da. That do also just explode. And Q3. That should. Assignment is not allowed inside of. Okay, what have I done now? Yeah, right. Is melee enemy. See how much I broke shit? See? Maybe that is what I need. Hey, Godot, please load this a little bit faster. La 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 la. Hello. I guess again. Works? Hmm. Hmm. Uh. Okay, you know what? It is basically working. So listen, I'm just happy this is. You know what? How can I do this that it just? A3 is melee enemy. Is also melee enemy. So their hit. Oh, let me guess. The hitbox is on layer 4. I guess if I do the pain box up, is that what I need? Let me just check that really quickly. Oh, didn't launch again. Almost. I guess. Let me check this one again because. Huh. Wasn't that. It was not that. Okay, you know what? This is actually massive. So but problem is I'm slightly getting a headache. But we've done really well today. The grenades are working. So they bounce, they play an animation, they play a sound, they have an explosion radius that works. And they're using the whole health system for once. This was a triumph. This was a triumph. I'm making a note here. Huge success. Sorry. I cannot be very cute GLaDOS, okay? I wish I could, but I'm not. It wasn't honestly K-Tensor for the fact that until a few months ago, I could not program the fact that my worst problem right now is just how do I make a grenade instant explode on touching an enemy? That is a big improvement. So, yay. Song triggered. Okay, but this song is legendary, okay? It's just like, that is just part of video game history. It's perfect. And we need all the nice remembrances because everything is just bad right now. Okay, anyway, it was great. Let's use like the final time. Let's do some pew pew bang bang and ease that out of it. Again, holy shit. Grenades are working. Am I a programmer or what? I mean, it's true. I'm doing programming. I'm doing it on my own.
True.
I'm solving problems.
You're the less flailing toddler of programming.
Less flailing. That is true, actually. I can upgrade. Problem is just really, I really get just some headaches easily. That is probably my biggest problem right now. You know what? Now I really have an earworm from Still Alive. Oh boy, it's oh wow, I didn't know it was that bad. Okay, so everyone who doesn't know, basically a while ago, like a few months ago with season 1, they launched their big Battle Royale game. And for a while it looked like at least it could be popular. Let me just put it like this. The stream, the viewer numbers on on Twitch, because they're different things, is like Battlefield 6 has over 10k viewers. That the game is popular to watch again. Cool. Red Sack has 348. Oh boy, this is really bad right now. Oy, it's going well. I mean, it's not that I'm surprised that probably this is like maybe the last season. You know, where they're still supporting Red Sack, but anyway, thanks for tuning in to Godot. Reload the page. We will be right back. See you then on the other side. Bye.